Okay? If I lose my job, I lose my job. I shouldn't be speaking like this. But I don't care. I don't give a anymore because I'm scared too. I got an 86-year-old home with oxygen at home. My wife is crying every time I go home because she doesn't know I'm going to kill her father. If I have something. Guys, it's in your hands. You decide what you're going to do. I heard the electrician walked out. That was their choice. You guys have the same choice to do it. Okay? Let's look out for each other. We don't have 6 feet amongst each other here. When you're in the work site there, you guys don't have 6 feet around you. We're all breathing on each other. Where's your eating facilities? Are they sanitized? Do you have water to wash your hands when you eat your sandwiches? I leave it in your hands, guys. You guys decide what you want to do. I give you the information. Okay? That man there did not show me the washing facilities in this, and he kicked me out of his trailer. He doesn't own anybody. You don't need to be intimidated by that man. He doesn't own us. Nobody owns us, not even the government. You have a family at home too, eh? You have a responsibility. You have a responsibility. Now, you can talk. Why? Because you're scared for yourself. What about these men? They're not scared, right? Where's the washing facilities for these men? They're not here. You have it by your trailer. You want to protect yourself, not these men. Okay? You scared of me. You guys hear it? You guys do what you want, my friend. Okay? You guys do what you want. You scared when I was scared. You scared. Hey!